Hello guys, welcome on IQcodec in this new tutorial. So today we are going to be talking on how to create a YouTube introduction videos for your YouTube channel. So what is a YouTube introduction video? It's a small video that shows what your channel is about and usually placed at the beginning of a YouTube video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create one for your YouTube channel. So for this we are going to use a software named Camtasia, which is not free, but what I'm using is the crack version. So I'm going to put the link of the crack version in the description. So here is the user interface of Camtasia. I'm just going to give you a brief description of what it looks like. So here on this main column, here's the media where here you can import your files. Is it a video, a picture, or an audio file? We have the annotation. Hey, oops, I jumped the library. So here's the main part of the Camtasia where everything you need to edit your video is found. Here you can have the icons, introduction, lower text, motion backgrounds. Here we have the annotation to better annotate your video for better understanding. Here you have this transition effect. You can hover your mouse over to see what it look like. You can see them. So you have the behavior, the text behavior, which can also be used on an image. You have the animation. You have the cursor effect to either loop it for better viewing, and you can see click on the more. We have other effect here there, and here on this tab, this image, this is the preview. This is where everything I'm going to do will be shown. And here on this tab, we have the properties of the element in which you're going to edit it. And here is the main part of the Camtasia, which is the timeline. Here's the timeline of Camtasia, which is our main working space for editing our videos. So today we are going to create a YouTube introduction video. So for this, note better that in order to create a YouTube introduction video, what should be first remembered is that in your YouTube introduction video, you need to have your logo. So in our previous video, we created a logo which I'm just going to import it, which is on our desktop. So you need to have a logo in order to show it on your YouTube introduction video. So now we're going to move into the library tab, going into the introductions, some of the introduction videos of Camtasia, the built-in introduction videos. So what I'm going to choose, I'm going to take this one. So you just carry it and place it on the timeline. On the timeline, you can press on the play button to see what it looks like. You can see here is the introduction video, very attractive. So what we're going to do is that we're going to edit this introduction video in order to use it for our YouTube channel. So firstly, I'm going to play it and see which can I edit it. Okay, so there's not much to know that is here. It's about 7 seconds. So firstly, what is to do is just we're going to edit this text. Let us say we're going to put in IQcodec, and now we're going to just name it coding at the text. So after doing this, you can just replace it back here to our timer. Just hover it back and click on the play. So you can see. So the next step is that we need to add our logo. So as for me, for better designing, I'm going to add a video at this stage of the video. So I'm just going to go back on the media tab and just carry our logo and put here. So we need to just reduce the size. That's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to reduce the size. Let me see if let me go and see. Okay, so I'm just going to input here in the middle. So this is what I'm going to put at the introduction. And on this logo, we are going to add a behavior, which is a text behavior, but adding it into an image. So I'm going to show you how to add a text behavior into an image. For the text behavior, you just need to hover your mouse over a text behavior and see what it looks like. So let me see. I'm going to choose the postulate. So I'm just going to type the behavior and and leave it out to our logo. So let's play the play button as what happens. So you can see the change. Oops, I need to fix something. So I'm just going to carry it like this. Let us press back on the start button. Okay, you can see the difference. Wait, let me fix. I'm just going to delete this one. So here it is. Here was an introduction video. What is lacking now is very easy. You can further decide to add it. You can still go on the motion background on the library, move on. If you think the 7 seconds are too short for your introduction videos, you can go on the motion backgrounds and choose another background and add it in order to elongate your video. So you can either, it's very easy, you can choose each of them that, so you can just choose a motion background in which you're going to add on your video. So as for me, I'm just going to leave it at 7 seconds. So what we need now is an mp3 audio. See it in the library. I'm just going to close the motion background tab, and I'm going to also close the introduction tab. I'm going to move into the music tracks. In here, you're going to see a variety of mp3s which you can use in order to beautify your introduction video. Let's just click to play, and then this one is not good. Let's just over this. Yes, a video gaming. So we take moving. This one. So I'm going to choose this one. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to carry the sound into my timeline and just insert it under the video. Let us see what happens. So you see, here's where the video introduction video ends and the music continues. So in order to cut it, we're just going to, it's very easy to cut off the sound. So you can still play another part of the sound to better cut it, because listen, let us listen it back and see what happens. I guess you are able to recognize that the ending of the video will be very brutal if you stop it at this stage, since the introduction, since the era we think that it is continuing, but which the video is going to stop. So I just look for a better stopping part for our video. Let us play this any point and see. Let us see this introduction part. So I'm just going to cut. Let us see, I'm just going to split this video into 2 parts. Yes, I'm just going to split it and select this middle part. Yes, and let us see. I'm still going to cut it. So this is the cut. Just close it in order to cut the video. So I'm still going to cut it here and delete this portion. Let us see what happens. Just try again. Okay, so I'm going to add another. I'm going to add an outro to better elongate our videos. So just go on the outro tab and just take this one. I'm just going to choose this one, and in order to add to my videos, so you can see So here now you are you are going to add in text files. Let us say thanks for watching, and we're just going to delete this thanks for watching since normally it has to be at the end of the video. So as from here, let us see, we are going to just enter a text which will be please subscribe to our channel. Under here you can see it's telling you to add your website. Since if you don't have a website, you can just leave, let us say website loading. Here your email, you're going to input for IQcodec@gmail.com, and here for the phone number and for your page you are going to add the slash IQcodec, and just leave it like that. So let us play the video and see what happens. Now we can add this other portion of the sound, not again this. Let us play. Just going to cut it here and play this portion. So let us play. So that's done. Our video, our introduction video is done. Now what we need to do is to produce a video. You need to render the video before using it. So normally if you are using a trial version of Camtasia, you will not be able to produce a video since I'm using a cracked version. So I'm going to insert the cracked version link at the description of the video. So I'm just going to choose the file type. So I'm going to take the IQcodec 720 pixel. So I'm just going to click on the next. Here, give the name to your project. The type official intro video. That's all. I'm just click on the finish. So our video is being rendered. So for this, we are just going to wait for a little bit, to let me say 20 to 30 seconds for this to get done. So after this, you will be able to use this video to insert it into your YouTube videos at the beginning of your YouTube videos, which will be very interesting, because with this YouTube video you can, before watching your videos, a viewer will have a brief description of what your video is about. So I advise you to choose a very good design to create your own YouTube introduction video. This is only done for knowledge sake, so we just did it in order to show you guys how to do, so you can better take time and create yours, which will be very attractive. So you can see here's our video which is already being rendered. So you are seeing here's our YouTube video, it's already rendered. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video, and we are very grateful to our YouTube subscriber. For this video was asked by one of our YouTube subscribers, so we decided to make it in order to help. So thank you for all our YouTube subscribers. Thanks. Remain tuned on IQcodec for better videos. Bye. See you in our next video.